all know what you're doing, you pro riders.
Chris MacCluggage in fourth.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The long jump is now open. The long jump is now open over here. Right hand side track. Oh, rider down. I believe that was Matt that possibly went down. Everybody is standing up here. And you know, both of those guys now living here in Lake Havasu City. So it's a battle of, hey, this is my house. So it is. This is my house. Good job there by the Blackwood Motorsports rider. Fourth in the car now for the end of it. Look at MacCluggage on the move there. Oh, dying after that second long jump. And he moves into third spot.
Rode the best I could, came up through the pack and fell, and then got back up and went, and then just fell in a big hole.